So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can fix the issue of mobile data being on, but you are not getting internet. Now, this is a pretty simple fix that I would request you guys to do, and the fix is heading towards your settings, scrolling down until you see general management, and then here tapping on reset, and then resetting network settings. Now, I have a dual SIM phone, so it's very important to understand that which SIM am I talking about. So for me, like it's my primary SIM, I have dual SIM. So I have to select the correct SIM. Actually, it's my secondary SIM. And then I click on reset settings, prompted from my screen pattern. I put in my screen pattern and then tap on reset. Now all my network settings get reset. What this means is it's kind of a flush that happens. So any congestion, any wrong things that may have happened, all get flushed out. And at this point of time, hopefully, like your things should start working. Now, please do note that all of this will only work if in case you have set up your mobile network correctly. Now for me, it happens to be my Jio SIM and it happens to run on LTE network. So I need to select the correct LTE network, and also for me, it happens to be on a roaming circle. So if I don't select roaming on here, it will not work. What it means is that I got my SIM in a different state or a circle. I got it in Bombay. I am now using this in a different city, and therefore it becomes important that I turn on data roaming on. Even after this, if it doesn't seem to work, what you can do is head towards your access point names, head towards the correct SIM, and then click on reset to default. So doing this, it should also help. At the worst, what you can also do is just turn on like the flight mode. At this point, all cellular connections get switched off or turned off. And then what happens is you need to hold on to this state for say a couple of seconds, then turn it back on. And now, like when you turn back the mobile data on, what you will see is that your internet should start working. So kind of all of these things can really help. A simple reboot, that is simply rebooting or restarting your phone, can also help. But what I suggested in the first step, I think that's what you should be doing. And that is like heading towards your settings, heading towards like general management, then on reset, and then on reset network settings. This really seems to work. Do let me know if it worked for your Samsung phone, for your Samsung M51 to be precise. If it does, kindly subscribe, click on the bell icon for notifications. Do share this with your friends, and just spread the word so that this reaches out to more audiences. You sharing it on your social network handles really would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Until next time, it's me, Aman, signing off.